Alright, welcome back to the 6th hour podcast. We got a couple topics that we wanted to talk about today. Movie fictional characters, latest animals, and breakfast foods.
Cutest animals.
Okay. Fix it again. Cutest animals instead of latest animals.
The latest evolved in our species.
Yeah. That was like late sleepers, but alright. Alright, as a group, what do we want to talk about?
Maybe like breakfast foods?
Sounds good to me.
I'm okay with breakfast foods.
Me too.
Alright, who's first?
Alright. Obviously, like my number one breakfast food, waffles.
Okay, that is a good choice.
A nice Belgian waffle.
Yeah.
Actually, I once had a waffle that was the shape of Texas, and I had it in Texas. There was this hotel that served these waffles that were in the shape of Texas. So I thought that was really cool, actually.
Gotta love the hotels that just have like the waffle maker on standby. Or
Yeah.
Yeah, once I saw one from like a hotel, the ones like you just see it being made. I bought one for the house, so I have one now that every morning I try to have waffles if I can. If I'm running late, I don't. But
Right. Yeah. Well, for me, I would pick pancakes because normally in our house we got like just like freezer pancakes, so you can like make them like in like a minute, and it's just easy and they're fine to eat, and they're good. They're good. I like them.
yeah, and the cool thing with like pancakes is like you can put like blueberries, strawberries, you got chocolate chips, like whatever you can add on there, like
a lot more
bananas.
customizable.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
I would choose breakfast pizza because it tastes good.
It's just pizza with breakfast toppings on it.
Like what type of breakfast pizza we talking about? Like what's your
Or like
favorite?
sausage, like from Casey's or something.
Nice.
Can't go wrong with that. Well, you know, I gotta go for the OG here, bacon. I mean, like, personally, I like mine a little bit more fatty than other people, just so I get the chewy bits. Not so it's raw.
Okay.
Just want to make that clear, but I mean, yeah, I think that whenever anyone thinks of breakfast, they usually go to bacon as one of the first options. So
Yeah, I like fatty parts too.
yeah, you can't go wrong with bacon either way.
A little bit tender. I know the rest of my family all like gotta cook that thing until you can't. There's no fat on it.
Yeah,
It's like crisp.
I can't eat like too crispy bacon. It's just like it just gets everywhere.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
too dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the same with me too, because I like my bacon tender, because if it's just like a crisp, then it's just all you get is just this burnt like dust, and I hate it so much. So I would like the fatty parts.
Yeah, my second one, if I had to pick, it'd be eggs, scrambled eggs. When I was younger, I was diagnosed with allergic to eggs, and then for a experiment that I did 2 years ago, I ate eggs to see if I was actually allergic to them, and I wasn't.
Oh.
So now since then, I like to have eggs occasionally whenever I feel like it. So like even for supper now.
Right. Well, for me, I would have to go with the breakfast burrito. It's very standard, but it's also good. It can be as simple as just like a tortilla, some eggs, and like sausage.
On your way to work, need something quick to eat, just like grab a breakfast or burrito from your local, I don't know, food purveyor or something, and just you're ready to go.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, you can do that. I don't eat them that often, but when I do have them, they're like really good and they really hit the spot. So, yeah.
My second choice would probably be donuts. Just something like sweet.
All donuts, or you give a specific flavor?
I like the maple ones.
Yep.
I used to have them at my grandma's house, so they tasted good.
Yeah.
Casey's like the cinnamon maple donuts. Oh.
I always like the cake
A little bit more,
donuts.
cost more, but like so delicious.
You gotta get them like right when they get them out, though, because if you wait till the end of the day, then it's just stale.
Yeah, I don't notice a difference, but usually I just get the cake donuts. So
Yeah, and like they have a new donut store that just opened in McPherson near the Arc. It's like the Arc is like a type of antique place, but right next to it is the donut shop. It's brand new, very delicious. Like they might have just made it like 5 days before, but they still stay fresh.
yeah,
Nice.
that's interesting. I'd say that my second option would be an omelet, kind of spin on your scrambled eggs idea, but instead has cheese inside or whatever you want inside of it. I usually like omelets because like whenever I eat normal eggs, I just kind of get a little sick for some reason. So whenever I have omelets, the cheese could just kind of neutralizes it for me. So
I think my third choice would be Wendy's has this double like baconator breakfast. So it's you get your egg on there, sausage, bacon, and then it comes with a side of potato fries. It's like if I had to go to like a fast food restaurant to go get like a breakfast, that's like my number one pick.
So that'd be if you're just going like to Wendy's, though, right?
No, like if I'm in town, like if I had a choice like McDonald's or Sonic or of course any other fast food restaurant, I always go to Wendy's. I always found that was like the best one for fast food.
Yeah, I like Wendy's too. It's a nice place to go. For me, I would pick.
isn't it?
I don't. Oh wait. Okay, yeah, I think I got it. For cereal, there's a lot of different kinds of cereals out there, and a lot of them I don't like. But there's this one called honeycomb cereal, and it's just and it just makes like the milk just like it tastes like a lot sweeter. So then it's even better to like when you just like drink it all. Then it's
Just kind of like a soup at that point.
yeah, kind of. It's just I think it's a good combination. I really like that cereal.
Gracious.
My third one, it's kind of simple, but toast, and I like to put a lot of butter on my toast.
Do you do like jellies also with the butter, or just toast?
Sometimes, but normally just bread and butter.
I'd say my option would just be biscuits and the gravy. Just kind of a nice combination of flavors. Just wait, did someone already say biscuits?
No.
Biscuits and oh, okay.
No.
Just good combination of flavors, despite like gravy being put on to biscuits. But
Yeah.
yeah,
I'm gonna have to say I gotta put that down like least favorite. Like I had that when I was younger, and I don't know, so just something with it. Maybe it was like maybe the gravy was bad. I don't know. It was
Yeah.
homemade. Let's
you
face
kind
it.
of
They could have messed it up.
to eat biscuits and gravy.
Yeah.
Right.
Fourth one now. This is getting challenging. There's a lot of us taking good choices. I would say sausage.
Oh,
Breakfast sausage, yeah.
Yeah.
Like sausage links.
Yeah, sausage links, yeah. Sausage links or patties, either or.
Yeah, that's a good choice. For me, I would pick cinnamon rolls. So, yeah, like you can get them just like in the cans, and you can just like take them out, or you can make. I think my mom made some homemade, and they were actually really good. But you have to like put like frosting on it though because like the cinnamon roll itself is just not sweet enough, so
Yeah,
you need to put
just
like a lot of frosting.
dry.
Yeah. And they're so easy to make too, from like the can.
Yeah.
It's not really a food, but I like orange juice and like chocolate milk.
Yeah.
Sort of breakfast.
Good drinks
Yeah.
to have during the breakfast time.
Yeah.
For my fourth option, I am going to go with, I don't know, strawberry turnover. Just because, like, or like something like a toaster strudel.
Okay.
Just because It's a nice sweet option for your breakfast. It's also easy to make.
So that was all of them, right?
Yeah, I believe that was all of our top 4 options that we could think of, so we're not stolen by other people.
Do you want to do a recap of yours?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I chose waffles as my number 1. Number 2, brains went dead because everybody else is talking. What did I say? Eggs, especially scrambled. Third one would be the Wendy's Baconator in the breakfast for the morning. Because it has the eggs, and it's great. And then the fourth one was just like sausage links or sausage patties.
Mine was, I believe, pancakes was number 1. For 2, I don't remember what I did for number 2.
I know your third option was gold grams.
No, I chose honeycombs.
Honeycombs.
I had pancakes. I had the honeycombs, and then I had my fourth one, which was cinnamon rolls. And I can't figure out that second one. I don't. Dang it.
We'll come back to you whenever.
Yeah, come back to me. I'll think of it.
My first one was sausage breakfast pizza. My second,
Oh, yours was breakfast burrito for the second one.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt
You're
you.
fine.
Go on.
Thank you.
my second was donuts maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Mabel's donuts.
And then third, toast, and then my fourth was like orange juice or chocolate milk.
Yeah. My first one was bacon. My second was omelets. My third was biscuits and gravy. And finally, my last was toaster strudels.
Yep. All right, with all those in, that is our top 4.
Well, wait, not yet. We gotta find out whose list was the best.
I mean, like, I'm partial to my list, but if I were to pick a close second, I'd probably say yours was.
How about to decide it? If you had to eat that list of stuff for like the rest of your life for breakfast, we gotta pick which one would you choose.
Grace's. This is the only one that had drinks with it.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah, fair point.
We're kind of talking about foods here.
Well, I mean, like, I stand by my reasoning. I'll go with my list.
I go with Tara.
No.
Pancakes and cinnamon rolls.
Yeah, we got pancakes, cinnamon rolls.
I eat toast every morning.
Cinnamon rolls.
Just eggs? And I figured out you had some of those too that were weird.
I had
I don't
waffles,
know.
scrambled eggs,
Waffles are good.
and then have you had the Wendy's breakfast
Baconator. Oh.
Okay, sausage, egg, bacon, and then it comes with the side of your potato fries.
Yeah, I don't know.
All right, I'm buying one.
Grace
I'm
Maple
breaking.
Donuts was hard, but then she backed it up with toast, and I just kind of, toast is just toast. Oh, your waffle, your strudel thing, yeah, whatever. I can leave that.
I mean, I guess the only lame one for me would probably be honeycomb cereal.
Oh,
'cause
you
it's
get
just
breakfast
cereal.
burritos too.
I did have breakfast burrito.
Breakfast burritos, cinnamon rolls, pancakes. Now waffles are better than pancakes, but
Like he picked it,
you
so
get 3 decent ones. Your cereal one is whatever. But
yeah, that's just that just came in the box.
All right, then. I think that's it for this episode, right?
Does that mean that we all agree to disagree? We all think that ours is the best?
Oh,
I would say yeah.
yeah, I think agree to disagree.
Okay.